Have you ever thought to yourself, I'm just not good enough, or I could never do that? If so, you're not alone. But here's the truth, those aren't facts. They are what we call limiting beliefs. Limiting beliefs are the silent scripts running in the background of your mind that shape how you see yourself and what you think you can achieve. They are often formed through personal experiences, maybe a failure, a rejection, or a harsh word. And they are reinforced by societal norms, cultural expectations, and even the people closest to us. These beliefs can quietly but powerfully erode your confidence, chip away at your self esteem, and hold you back from the life you're truly capable of living. So, how do you spot them? Start by looking at your goals, the ones you've dreamed of but haven't dared to chase. Ask yourself, what's stopping me? Maybe you believe, I'll never be successful, I'm too old, or I'm just not smart enough. Write those thoughts down. Yes, actually, write them down. Because awareness is the first step toward change. Take a moment right now and ask yourself, what belief have I been carrying that's no longer serving me? Now comes the empowering part. Question everything. Ask yourself, is this really true? Where did I learn this? What evidence do I have that proves this wrong? You see, your brain believes what you tell it the most. So let's reframe that negative self-talk into something that fuels you. Try this. I'm not experienced enough becomes I'm learning and growing every day. I always mess up turns into every mistake is a stepping stone to mastery. Use affirmations like armor for your mindset. Speak power into your day. I am capable. I am enough. I am becoming. Once you've challenged those old beliefs, it's time to plant new ones. Ones that align with your goals and your highest self. Set small, meaningful goals. Celebrate your wins and surround yourself with people who lift you higher. Visualize your future self, living with confidence, walking in purpose, and achieving everything you once thought was impossible. Hold that image in your mind, feel it, believe it, become it. So here's the truth. Some of the world's most successful people once believed they weren't enough. But they chose to rewrite their story, and so can you. You have limitless potential buried beneath the lies you've been told and the stories you've accepted. So today, make a decision, break free from the beliefs that hold you back, and step boldly into the truth of who you really are. This is your time. This is your breakthrough. You are more powerful than your past.